Hello everyone and welcome to Cable Ties at 48. I'm going to be using Carol with an interrupt weapon. We're showing with a Morningstar and Lucky Armour, and Scout Glenn with a Mercer's Axe. Carol's cookies on Glenn. If you've got Mike, use it on Michonne. Reason being that your day will start in front of you. You can just charge and in with her and get her charged up straight away. So first thing you do is check around the side of the cars and make sure nothing's there. And then you go and open the two cars. You can actually get straight on it. I was hoping there'd be something closer so that I could kill some stuff with Glenn first. But as there isn't, I'll have to just wait and end a turn. And just seeing what's going to be best to do here. I can stun two like that, and I can kill one like that, and we can use mask on the last one and get Glenn charged back up. Kill them, and we've been shown up here. So this one is equal distance to Glenn and Michonne, but Michonne is higher up in the portrait order, so it will go towards Michonne, who's in Overwatch, and we'll push it away. Didn't know there was one there though. So that was lucky. Reason it didn't attack, I'm guessing, is because it was targeting Carol and couldn't get next to her to attack her, so did nothing instead. These guys are coming all very, very close to me. So let's stun that one. It's annoying it didn't die. And then this one's going to come and attack Glenn, but Michonne will hit it in Overwatch. You've got a charge point, which is really nice. So you can get her charged up. How many of these can I stun? The thing is, I need to kill this one over here as well. Well, I'm going to have to rely on her leader trait kicking in, which it did. I need to be able to stun a lot of these. I don't know if that's going to be enough. Stun all of them. It's not going to be enough because this one will come and get me. I'll give it a go. Stranger things have happened. No, I'm well within range of loads of walkers there. That's the end. The end, my friend. No, blimey. Horribly the end. Wow, that's one fail with commentary. Let's do another, shall we? Let's hope for a bit of a better start. It's not a better start at all. Okay, so hitting it again, and we're going to wait in Overwatch. It's lucky they both attack different ones in Overwatch. And we're going to... So we know there's always going to be 5 walkers. I don't know if I mentioned that. So we've killed 3 of them. So that's 4, and there's 1 next to them as well. What we're going to do is go and kill that one with Glenn, and then stun this one with Michonne, and get on the car with Carol. Okay, that's not too bad. And we're going to wait up here for these guys to come at me. And what we're going to do now is go and stun as many of them as possible. Or push back as many as possible. Let's do that. And then we can run back towards the cars. And we've only got 1 turn left of Glenn. So we'll run back and stun this one, because these guys can't reach it. Up comes the cable. One thing I should mention is don't be caught on the wrong side of this cable, because you can't go through it. You'd have to run back all the way around the cars, which is not what you really want to do. Well, better the second time, as you can see. So hopefully it gives you some idea of what to do and what not to do. It is very luck dependent on the starting spawns. But good luck. It's one of the harder maps this week. Thanks very much for watching. See you soon.